Welcome to Power Plays. This is a specialized set of videos that we have made kind of in combination with our Power Play support that we just put out, and these are specifically for small spaces. I am in the living room of my condo here, and so you do not need a lot of space to do this. We encourage you to get outside and do them if you can, but today it is raining, so I will be in my condo. All of these videos are designed to have somewhere between 10 and 12 different movements. You can pick as many of the movements as you want. You can figure out which ones you like, which ones you don't like, and pick from there. You can do them in a row. You can do just one movement for a certain amount of time. These are just to give you some ideas about how you can move and get doses of physical activity while you might be stuck in your house at home. So I have my jungle sounds on Alexa. Resume. Can't say her name. Because today we're doing a theme of animal moves. So here we go. First, we'll warm up. Here's 10 jumping jacks. 10 forward arm circles. These aren't animals yet. This is just to get one. I didn't count. Do 10. 10 backwards arm circles. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 high knees. I like to put my hands out and touch my knees to my hands. 20 butt kicks. You can put your hands on your butt. And 20 torso twists. All right. We're ready to be animals. So I'm going to show you each of the animals. Remember, you can do them as many times as you want. You can not do the ones you don't like, only do the ones you like. Do them all. We encourage you to send your animal vids. And if you come up with your own, please do send them. First one is a bear crawl. I'm on my hands and feet. You can be on your hands and knees. Next one is a starfish. You're holding your legs and arms out to the side for as long as you can. The next one of my favorites, frog hops. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Gorilla walks, another one of my favorites. Kangaroo hops, much like a frog hop, but a little bit higher. and you need your arms out like this. If you have a pouch, it's a bonus. Sometimes a pouch. Inchworms. Whew. This one's tough for me because I don't have good flexibility, but I'll do it. Walk your hands out as far as you can. Walk your feet in. Oh, donkey kicks. These are great. Let me keep it on the rug. Eeyaw! Eeyaw! It's only bonus if you make the sounds too. Crab walk. This one's pretty familiar to people. This one I have going into the dead bug, which is quite fun. Then go completely dead. The platypus swim. Kind of like your starfish form, except now you're gonna go. You can also go. I think they use kind of both forms. Dog at a hydrant. I named this one, and it's quite fun. Little tail wag at the end. I've also included a challenger for each one of our workouts, or physical activity bursts. Today's challenger is called the cricket. It's going to be loud. It's going to shake my condo, probably, but I'll do it. This is on your toes and your knuckles, kind of like you're in a plank, but you have your knuckles down, and you're gonna hop. Little bit hops. Remember, you can do this as many times as you want. You can take as long as you need between each animal that you do. And if you do a round of them, take at least a minute or two before you go on to another round. Have fun.